Hi friends, I'm here to show you another sound box. We have a new sound this week. The sound is eh. Eh. Let's see what's in our sound box. We have an elephant. We have an Etch-a-Sketch. An Etch-a-Sketch is a game where you can draw on it and then you shake it and it disappears and you can draw something else. Etch-a-Sketch. Earth. Last week was Earth Day. This is our planet. I bet a lot of you will know this character, Elmo. Eggs. Let's count how many eggs are in this carton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a dozen eggs. This is an elf. Envelope. I know a lot of you like to use envelopes at school and cut lots of pieces of paper and put them in envelopes. Envelope. This is an evergreen tree. And our state, Washington, is nicknamed the Evergreen State because we have lots of evergreen trees in our state. Now let's read our book. This is an uppercase E. For egg. For elbow. You point to your elbow. For eye. Point to your eye. For elephant. For eat. Thanks for watching, friends. And you can work on your packets, and I'll see you on Zoom or FaceTime. Bye-bye.